Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting and colorful to unbox. Are you ready to see what it is? Ta-da! Look at this amazing box. It's a brand new rainbow fidget spinner. I can't wait to see inside. Let's open it up together. Okay, let's carefully open this up. Wow, look at all the colors. It's so sparkly already. This is going to be so much fun. Let's get it out of the box. It's even cooler than I thought. Look at all the beautiful rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It feels really smooth and looks super well made. See the shiny metal in the middle? That's what helps it spin so fast. Okay, are you ready for the first spin? Let's give it a good one. Whoosh! Look at it go, so fast and smooth. It's spinning for a really long time. This is awesome. Let's try some different spins. I can spin it on one finger, and I can even try to balance it on my thumb. Look, it stays spinning. This is so satisfying to watch. It's so calm and peaceful. This rainbow fidget spinner is super cool. I love the bright colors and how fast and long it spins. It's really fun to play with when you just want to relax. I think this would be a super gift for any kid who loves colorful toys. What did you think of the rainbow fidget spinner? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next toy adventure. See you next time, friends. Bye.